Today, we're going to show you how Coupa integrates with imVision. Coupa as an RTLS for tracking of people and assets, and how imVision can become a consuming platform to show and manage that information. Coupa was founded in 2012 as a spin-off that originated in the Nokia Research Center, as they were investigating the best technologies available for RTLS, for indoor and campus areas, the Coupa positioning engine. An increasing demand for services that require indoor positioning exists today. It is estimated that the market will reach to thousands of millions or even billions of US dollars during the next decade. Coupa will help build that world based in a collaborative ecosystem. Coupa will also provide the best information based on positioning so that customers can combine that information to create irresistible products and services. Before, at this company, each time an infrastructure manager needed a contractor to perform a particular work, a lot of information needed to be provided, and even so, the contractor had to do a best effort to achieve it. Sadly, sometimes when they finished the work, the customer realizes that mistakes were made. A wrong connection was made in another part, the wrong rack was intervened. A lot of time, effort, and money needs to be spent to resolve the issue. Now, with the integration proposed by Netnix between imVision and Coupa, the company can receive the contractor when arrived, provides the work order for the job, and handles the Coupa-enabled tag. While the contractor heads towards the designated spot, the infrastructure analyst can do a near real-time follow-up of the contractor, allowing the analyst to control and provide feedback on whether the location is correct or not. Additionally, all the assets can be controlled so that we can know at any time where the assets are located or if they are being moved, detecting possible misuse of critical and expensive assets. We can also generate alarms if a person or an asset goes to out of defined zones and if they go to prohibited areas where they're not supposed to. But let's see some real examples first. We're going to show you two cases where you can see the Coupa and imVision integration. The first case will be tracking and control of contractors. When we do the contractor onboarding, we will welcome him and we will also provide him with credentials so that he can gain access to all permitted areas he may need to enter. In this case, we provide an access card jointly with a Bluetooth low energy tag that has the capacity to detect movement and also has a panic button. We can see now in real time the integration between imVision, Coupa, and even a BMS system all together. When the contractor enters the building, we can know anytime where he's at and the activities he is doing. In this case, we can see how he enters the communications area and how he starts working with copper panels. In the second case, we will be handling the tracking of assets to be able to visualize in real time its movement and location. This allows us to guarantee the control of company assets and maximize the investment, assuring the availability of them. In the screen, we can see the spaces section of imVision showing the physical location of the asset at any time in real time. Thank you. We will now proceed to do a brief description of how this integration is achieved. The integration between Coupa and imVision has the following items. The Coupa tags are related to assets and persons in imVision through the tag MAC address. The Coupa MAC information is available through a REST API. Inside imVision, we use user-defined fields to add this information. From the Coupa REST API, we also obtain the task coordinates, and we inject that into imVision. At the moment, the coordinate injection is being done directly through SQL, but we were actively working with CommScope team to make available a new REST API that would allow the coordinate injection. This allows a high-value integration available with a simple and scalable design.